Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can read messages in Snapchat without showing to person that the message is read. So it's very easy technique, it calls half swipe, and now I'm gonna show you how you can make that. So let's see. We got here all our messages, and if I tap on the person name, I will get to the conversation with that person. And when I do this, all the messages from the person will be marked as read. But what to do if I don't want to mark these messages as read? So I need to make that. I need to tap on the person icon, not here, but on the icon. And immediately I need to start swipe to the right. I'll show you how it will look like. Here it is. I just swipe to the right, and I shouldn't go my finger out from the phone, because when I make like that, the chat messages will be immediately marked as read. So I need to do like that. Let me show you again. Here it is. I tap here and immediately begin to swipe to the right. And in that situation, I can read the messages from the person and they will be not marked as read. And then I will swipe it to the left slowly, and that's it. It's very simple and easy technique. It's called half swipe, and I'm sure you will like it. And also like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.